pound bags are silver. This is the catalyst for the full pound. And we basically mix the two together in the container, shake it up, and then pack it in whatever object you're gonna blow up. You just wanna make sure all the white pellets are coated in the gray catalyst powder. And yeah, those are good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and fill the tannerite in using a funnel. I'm gonna go start slow so it doesn't stop up here. Perfect. Are they halfway? About halfway. So now I don't think they're gonna fit down that hole.
Well, the thing about tannerite, the only thing that can ignite it is a high, like an actual bullet with the velocity.
I don't want to stick my finger through this.
So if you drop it, it's not gonna blow.
There's even some like handgun rounds that don't have the velocity to actually set it off. Like,
oh wow!
It's pretty good stuff, like safety wise. So it's full. Now obviously this isn't going to stop anything from coming out when it actually detonates, but it'll just keep little pellets from falling out until we get it set up. All right.
Full of explosives. We are going to shoot our Death Trooper with an Israeli Tavor. Pretty excited to shoot this. I've actually never shot it before. It is my brother's, but it looks awesome.
Using a 3DR solo to do some aerial footage, using a GoPro 4 Hero Black. Also some 3D printed elements on this guy, so you know, always fun. On? Yeah, no, you're good. You got it.
Okay. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure our sight is zeroed so that when we shoot, we don't miss the Death Trooper and ruin this whole event. All right. Gonna test this out, see if we're gonna hit close enough to that so we don't miss the StormTrooper. We got cover via tires. Good enough. I'll hit it.
I think that's zeroed in.
Yeah, that'll work. It's a heavy trigger.
Let's get it.
Here we have our 3D printed Death Trooper. This guy took a full 30 hours to print. It's hollow inside. Filled it with roughly 2 pounds of tannerite. So it should put on a pretty good show when we shoot it. So we're just gonna, we already zeroed, so we know we're on here. All right, it's gonna be glorious.
Game
Get
time.
after it. Woo! Yes! Yes! Woo! Woo!
It was just crazy. It's just like, it's gone. Here's the chopping block that was sitting on.
There is no sign of our Death Trooper.